Nike prepares to reintroduce the legendary Air Max 90 in a fresh dark smoke gray and sanded purple makeover this holiday 2025. The sneaker stays grounded in its 1990 heritage, featuring the classic visible air cushioning, a padded collar for lasting comfort, and rugged rubber traction that secures everyday reliability. Crafted with smooth black leather uppers and tonal mesh underlays, the shoe embraces a stealth-driven aesthetic, enhanced by a matching midsole for balance. Adding dimension, subtle dark smoke gray accents highlight the outsole, while the sanded purple hits on the heel and tongue branding inject just enough character for a modern twist. Designed to bridge lifestyle and sport effortlessly, this edition respects the timeless street-ready appeal of the silhouette while offering understated versatility. Fans can look forward to grabbing pairs via Nike.com and select retailers as the holiday season approaches, ensuring the Air Max 90 remains a cultural staple.